So some of you guys may already do this. I don't know. Some of you probably don't. I'm going to show you a cheap way to make sandpaper, or to use sandpaper when you have these little wheels. This is 7-inch hook and loops. So I just buy the sandpaper and then I just cut out what I need. So there's two ways you can do this. You can measure the diameter, or put this down there and mark it with a marker or something, and then just cut it out with scissors. Or another way you can do it, you just put the sandpaper on the pad. I find a spot where it's try to use as much of it as I can, and then what I do is I just put it on the drill, and I take my razor knife and you just hold it right on the edge of your sanding pad. And then it cuts it off the same size as your pad. So I got this one. It's a 2-inch, and I also got a 3-inch. And these don't have, they're not hook and loop. They're just plastic. So I got this stuff at, I believe it was at Walmart. Let me get up here so you can see it. They just have it in the craft section at Walmart, and it's 4 inches by 2 inches. So on this here, it would fit, if you like this pad right here, it'll just fit right on there, and you can just trim it to fit. It's sticky back, so you can just stick it right onto the rubber, or you can, I glued mine on, so you could do that. So that's a cheap way to get these, and they're rubber, so they're a little bit flexible, so they'll move with the contour of the wood somewhat. And this one is, I got this one at Harbor Freight too. It's foam, so it moves too a little bit. So anyway, I got this at Harbor Freight. I got the backing pads at Harbor Freight. And I got this at Harbor Freight, and it came with a bunch of sandpaper, 100 grit and 150 grit. This is all really inexpensive. So, and this here, one 7-inch disc, you can get quite a few pieces out of this, and it's already got the hook and loop, so it's easy to change. You just tear off the old one, put the new one on. So anyway, that's my my little tip for saving some money and getting set up so you can do some sanding. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like if you like what I'm doing, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.